In this video, I'm going to be talking about how does a GitHub pull request work. So a GitHub pull request is a request to merge changes from one branch into another. It is a fundamental part of the collaborative workflow on GitHub, serving as a formal way to propose changes, discuss them with others, and have them reviewed before they are merged into the main project. So I'm going to be talking about the workflow and a general overview. The pull request workflow is going to first be done by creating a branch. So you can go ahead to a project and create a new branch of a specific project that you are working on. After you have created from the main branch to isolate your changes, this will ensure that your work on a new feature or bug fix doesn't affect the stable live version of the code. On that new branch, you can make changes, add files, delete old ones, and each set of related changes is saved as a comment. Each comment has a message that explains what was changed. Once that work is complete, you can push the branch and all of its comments into the GitHub repository, and at this point, the changes are going to be stored on GitHub, but they are still separate from the main active branch. Then you will be able to open a pull request. When you go to the GitHub website and you visit the project branch that you have made, you will see the option to merge them. So specify that the branches should be merged with the head branch and the base branch, and provide a title and description. So a detailed explanation on what the changes are, why they were made, and any relevant context. The most crucial part is to code review and join the discussion. So the pull request becomes a public forum for discussions. Reviewers or other developers on the team are assigned, and they can look at the code difference, ask questions, and everything else. Automated tests such as CI/CD pipelines often run on the pull request to check for errors, style violations, and other issues. And after all of that is done, and if everyone is satisfied, you can merge the changes and combine everything. So I hope I was able to help you. If this video gave you a better understanding of GitHub, please consider subscribing. As you can see, 83% of the people watching our videos are not subscribed. So if this video helped you, please consider subscribing. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.